Now let's talk about the state legislature. First of all, the word legislature. It is a new word for you. In plain words, you can say legislature is that government body which can make or change laws. Obviously, the government make laws. If it has to change some law, only the government can do it. So legislature is that part of the government which can make or change laws. But now this portion is new for you, so please be attentive. There are two houses in any state legislature. Two houses. First house, Legislative Assembly. Second house, Legislative Council. Legislative Assembly is also called Vidhan Sabha in Hindi. Legislative Council is also called Vidhan Parishad in Hindi. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर स्टेट में दोनों हाउसेज होंगे. हाँ, हर स्टेट में लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ज़रूर होगी. There are only 6 states out of the 29 states. There are only 6 states which have 2 houses. It has legislative assembly also and legislative council also. You can see it's written there. The 6 states which have both the houses are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, not Jammu and Kashmir now, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. These are the 6 states which have 2 houses. It has legislative assembly as well as legislative council. Let's discuss what is legislative assembly. जो सब states में है, ये इन 6 में भी है, but इन 6 में legislative council भी है और assembly भी है. बाकी में सिर्फ legislative assembly ही है. The number of members in assembly depends upon the population of the state. Now when we say legislative assembly, उसमें कितने members होंगे? It is not fixed. It depends upon state to state and the population of the state. But फिर भी there can be minimum 60 members in a legislative assembly and there cannot be more than 500 members. Its members are directly elected by people. It means people choose them through elections. We vote for them. If they win, they become members of legislative assembly. The minimum age to be a member of legislative assembly is 25 years. You cannot stand for elections before the age of 25 years. Some seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay, this we have done in 6th standard also. Here also, out of 60 members or out of 500 members, some seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. But we are saying that there are only 60 minimum members in a state legislature and there cannot be more than 500 members. But some states are so less in population that it is not possible to have even 60 members in those legislatures. So there are some states like Mizoram, Goa and Sikkim. There are special cases where the population is not huge, population is very less and they have only 40 members in their state legislature. I hope I am clear about it. Legislative assembly is there in all the states. Only 6 states have legislative council and its term is for 5 years. Legislative assembly's term is for 5 years. After every 5 years, elections are held. Okay. Now, such states which have only one house, only legislative assembly, they are called the unicameral legislative. Uni means one. And states which have both the houses, like those 6 states that we discussed earlier, those 6 states are known as bicameral legislature. Clear? States with one house are known as unicameral legislature. States with 2 houses are known as bicameral legislature. The term of legislative assembly is 5 years. In case it is not functioning according to the constitution, it can be dissolved earlier also. In such situation, the president rule is imposed in that state. It means if the government is behaving nicely, if it is doing its functions very nicely, they continue for 5 years. But if people feels that the government is not performing the duties, they are not doing their functions which they were chosen for, that government can be removed by the President of India. And then till the new elections are held, the President of India will rule over that state. It means the central government will rule over that state till the new state government is chosen. Clear? Like the Lok Sabha, which is there in national government, you will read about it in 8th standard. The Legislative Assembly has a speaker and a deputy speaker. The speaker presides over the meetings of assembly and conducts its business. It means Legislative Assembly's head is known as speaker, and then he has a deputy speaker to help him to perform the duties. Okay. Have you heard the word MLA? Yes, the word MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. It means that person is a part of state government. Clear? I hope things are clear to you. Please read the chapter thoroughly and we'll proceed with the chapter in the next video. Thank you.